When homeowners hear cash offer, they usually focus on one thing, the price. But when you're comparing a cash sale to a traditional sale, there are a few other numbers you need to look at. First, repairs. If your house needs a new roof, heating and air system, flooring, kitchen updates, or major deferred maintenance, you could spend tens of thousands of dollars before you ever put it on the market. Then there's the time involved. With a traditional sale, you may need to clean everything out, prepare the property, deal with showings, inspections and appraisal, buyer financing, and potentially repair requests after you're already under contract. With a direct cash sale, the property can typically be sold completely as is. At Bridgehaven Homes, we buy properties in their current condition. You don't need to renovate, you don't need to stage, and in many situations, you can even leave behind belongings you don't want. There's also certainty. Traditional buyers may be relying on financing to close. A true cash buyer isn't waiting on a mortgage approval. And then there's speed. When necessary, we've been able to close transactions in as little as 7 to 14 days. But if you need more time, we can also work around your timeline. Now, does that mean everyone should sell their house for cash? Absolutely not. If your house is in great condition, you have plenty of time, and your number one goal is maximizing the sale price. Listing traditionally may be your best option. But if you're dealing with an inherited property, major repairs, foreclosure, relocation, a difficult rental property, or you simply don't want to go through the traditional selling process, a cash offer gives you another option. The question isn't just, what's the highest offer I can get? It's, what option makes the most sense for my situation? If you own a property in the greater Sacramento area and want to compare your options, visit bridgehavenhomes.com